That is wow. It's so we're just built. How still it is right now. It looks like a storm. Yeah. It's yeah. Oh.
Wow.
Awesome. Very cool. He's looking up at that.
Wow. The lighting. You can start seeing stars. You can see stars. Holy poop.
Oh, no.
Oh my god. You can see the beads. You can see the beads.
Wow. Oh. God. Oh, yeah,
Ladies and gentlemen, we have reached totality. Comfortable. You can take your glasses off and have a look at the corona. I would suggest only for a few seconds. Then put your glasses back on. Be ready for it to come out of the eclipse. Last about 3 minutes here.
Wow, that's freaking wild. Yes, those are planets and stars.
So at about 5 o'clock below the sun, that's the planet Venus.
Oh yeah.
Wow, and then at 11 o'clock.
It's a 360-degree sunset.
Jupiter is about 11 o'clock. That bright star that you see is the planet Venus.
My God.
That's my home planet. I plan on going back there after we're done.
Yeah, I know.
Corona, like I put oh, 365 degrees.
Okay, good time. Go to bed, get dark.
This is spectacular. A lot of people are looking at it's so dark.
Yeah.
We're gonna get 3 minutes here. I'm not even videoing this whole thing, but we're gonna get a full 3 minutes. This is spectacular.